Good morning students. Welcome to Blue Star Higher Secondary School online class 6, subject physical science, chapter 5, separation of substances. Today we will discuss about worksheet. Students, all of you take one A4 sheet, write your name, class, subject physical science, chapter 5. Okay, I have asked question for you. You only write the answers. Okay, first questions. Suggest the method for separating the components of the following mixture. Suggest the method. Which method is followed by the mixtures? First questions. Butter from milk. First question. Butter from milk. What are the methods are used to separate the milk? Second question. Stone from rice. Second question. Stone from rice. What are the methods are used? Third one, grains. Use grain seeds from their stalks. Grain seeds from their stalks. What are the methods? Fourth one, red chilies from poha. Red chilli from poha. Already I told red chilies from poha. Fifth one, cotton fibers from their seeds. Cotton fibers from their seeds. Next one is the sixth one, tea leaves from the liquid. Tea leaves from the liquid. How to separate the tea leaves from the liquid? What are the methods are used? This is the 5 questions. What are the methods are used the separating the components? First one, butter from milk. Second one, stone from rice. Third one, grain seeds from their stalks. Fourth one, red chilies from poha. Fifth one, cotton fibers from the seeds. Sixth one, tea leaves from the liquid. Tea leaves from the liquid. Next one is the one word questions. I ask question for you. You write answer. First question. A solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in the given amount of water. Can be dissolved in given amount of water. ஒரு solution இருக்கு அப்படின்னா no more solute. Already I told what is mean by solution, what is mean by solute. So a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in the given amount of water. Second one, larger quantity of salt can be dissolved in water on. Larger quantity of salt can be dissolved in water on. ஸோ ஒரு வாட்டரில் இவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் சால்ட் தான் டிசால்வ் ஆகும். ஸோ நிறைய அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் சால்ட் எடுத்து அது பர்டிகுலர்ஸ் அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் வாட்டரில் டிசால்வ் பண்ண முடியுமா? தட் இஸ் மை கொஷின்ஸ். ஸோ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ரைட் தி ஆன்சர்ஸ். Third one, the process of conversion of vapor of a substance into its liquid state. Already I told what is mean by vapors. What is mean by vapors? The questions, the process of conversion of vapors of a substance. Conversion of vapors of a substance to its liquid state. Vapor of a substance is converted into liquid state is possible. That is my one questions. Write the answer. Fourth one, dissolving a substance in liquid form. Dissolving a substance in a liquid forms. ஒரு substance dissolve பண்ணா அது எந்த substance liquid formல dissolve பண்ண முடியும். Fifth one, methods used to separate soluble solid from liquids. What are the methods you used to separate soluble solid from liquids? Soluble solids solidல இருந்து which one is separate from the liquid state? This is the one word question. First question, a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in the given amount of water. First question. Second one, larger quantity of salt can be dissolved in water on. Third one, the process of conversion of vapor of a substance into its liquid state. Fourth one, dissolving a substance in liquid forms. Yeah. What are the answer? Fifth one, methods used to separate soluble solid from a liquid. Next, one activity for you students. So listen. Many substances dissolved in water and form a solution. These substances are soluble in water. Let us perform the following activity. So listen. Many substances dissolved in water and form a solution. நிறைய substances waterல dissolve ஆகும்போது solute ஆகிடு நமக்கு ஒரு சொல்யூஷனாக கிடைக்கும். These substances are soluble in water. These substances are fully dissolved in water or not. Let us perform the following activity. First, you are given a glass half filled with water. நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுறீங்கன்னா first ஒரு glassல half filled with water and some salt. அதில் என்ன பண்ணுறோம், நம்ம some salt add பண்ணுறோம். You are told to dissolve salt in water. நம்ம dissolve பண்ணும்போது salt ஃபுல்லாகவே வாட்டரில் dissolve ஆகுதா as shown in the given figure. So this is the tumbler. நீங்கள் வீட்டில் என்ன பண்ணுறீங்கன்னா இந்த activity செஞ்சு பார்க்குறீங்க. So first take a half filled with water and add more salt and dissolve it. The salt is fully dissolved or not? This is my questions. So these are 4 questions for you. Listen. What will happen if you go on adding more and more salt to a fixed quantity of water? So what will happen? இப்போ half filled with water, some amount of salt is added and then dissolved it. What I am asking for you, what will happen if you go on adding more and more salt? Particular amount of water add more and more salt to a fixed quantity of water. The salt is dissolved or undissolved. So write the answer. Second one, what is the solution said to be? What is the solution said to be? The solutions enna solla varum. Third one, is there some way that water could be made to dissolve more salt before the solution gets saturated? Is there some way that water could be made to dissolve? நம்ம salt add பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் dissolve ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா more salt before the solution gets saturated or unsaturated. Saturated na fully dissolved, unsaturated na half of the portions are dissolved. So which one is the saturated or unsaturated? Okay, this is my questions. Fourth one, what will happen if this hot solution is cooled? What will happen if this hot solution is cooled? எதனால hot solution வந்து cool ஆகுது? What is the reason? Write the answer. Next short answer, define sublimation. What is that? Define sublimation and define centrifugation. These are 2 questions. So students, I have asked 10 more questions. So you write answers. Take A4 sheet, write your name, class, subject, lesson name and write questions and write the question and then write answers. Think and write. Okay, thank you students.